Hello friends, today I am going to show you the TP-Link wireless Nano adapter. This adapter is helpful for those devices which doesn't have an Wi-Fi capabilities. It costs here around 1149 as you can see here, but we can get this from Amazon in only 700 or 800 rupees. So I will open this up and I will tell you where this device is useful nowadays. So here we go friends, we open the seal up. Okay, as you can see here, the device. Okay, so here we get the usual Wi-Fi adapter. It is sealed inside here. Let me put this aside. And we have as usual the user manual, as you can see here, and we got the installation CD for the driver. So I am making this video in this age when we have Wi-Fi by default in every devices, but my friends, you don't have Wi-Fi on your set-top box. So this device is basically useful on your DTH set-top box if you want to connect to Wi-Fi, because you also know that we have lot of contents now they are providing on the DTH service provider also. So this Wi-Fi adapter is useful to connect on those DTH provider. It is very small, as you can see here. It is a very small device, and it is mentioned TP-Link here. So that's all my friends. This is the TP-Link Nano wireless adapter. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.